look at what we have. So a friend of mine sent me a birthday present that just arrived. And of course, it was calling out to me in the middle of the night. So I had to get up and open it. It was saying, "Come swatch me." So yes, this is the reason why I did not sleep last night. Professional Watercolors, 48 tubes by Winsor Newton. I used to use Winsor Newton a long time ago, and they did sell the company to someone else. I do still use their indigo. I haven't really revisited Winsor in like years, but it was really fun to actually pour these pans from this set and just kind of remember about some of the colors that I really loved from Winsor Newton. I found that like a lot of the colors, the formulas had changed from when I first used them, and I had been talking about this in other videos. If you guys want me to do more with this set, please let me know. But as you can tell, I went ahead and swatched them. I didn't think you needed to see another swatching video because there's a lot out there on the internet. But if you want me to paint with these colors and talk more about the colors, then please let me know. I'd be perfectly happy to go through the details of this set with you. It's a very pricey set, actually. These are the colors that I really do like from this set, and as you can see, I found quite a few in my 48 piece set that I really adored and will use very, very often. So if that is something of interest to you, let me know in the comment section, and I will certainly bring that back out, and we'll do a dedicated video just about this Winsor & Newton set. Pretty cool though, huh? Really amazing gift. I mean, there's nothing like for an artist to get watercolor for their birthday, right? Am I right or am I right? As you can tell, because I'm still opening gifts for my birthday, and my birthday was August 9th. So this is another item that I've been developing. It is a mini pochade box, and I've wanted a pochade box for quite some time. I have things like this that I really love, and this basically is a pochade box because the definition of a pochade box is something that holds your watercolor supplies and allows you to take them with you. So I just have this for all of my newest brushes that I'm testing out and using because it protects them so nicely from the doggies. And huskies love to grab things that you love and absolutely run around the house with them so that you will chase them. So this is what keeps my things safe. I use this one for that, but I could use this as a pochade box. You would just have to come up with a special paletting system, which I have actually worked out over time. But that's not what I'm using. I wanted something else because this was perfect for my watercolor brushes, and this is perfect to just paint with because, and here's the best part of this, aside from it holding everything you could possibly want, it works as a little easel. So literally I could cut watercolor paper and sit there and just paint, and I can take it anywhere with me. There is a little leather strap that came with it, and it holds everything you want. I actually have the core set in there right now, just to see, get a feel for it. And I have this is the other Tintoretto watercolor brush. Can I just say, the next time they have a brush sale, I am really going to try more of these brushes. This is an awesome brush set. I never knew about them. And A Gallo is sending me some watercolor paint and to test out, and they have a partnership with this company, and that's how I first found out about it, because I just loved the way the brush looked. It was so cute, and I was like, I'm gonna try that brush out and see what it's like. Why are they using it? So there is a squirrel hair brush, which you can tell, right, because it just basically has no snap, but it's amazing. And then there's a synthetic squirrel brush that really has I use this all the time. It's crazy. But these are very small brushes, and I like them because even though I have every Escoda travel brush there is, you can see the difference in the size in comparison for these brushes. And so for those of you looking for a lighter weight, and this isn't really that heavy, but something lighter, then this is significantly smaller profile and lighter, you know. But aside from that, it fits into the Fraser Price watercolor box if you're getting that, which I just got it for my birthday, so I have to do a setting up of that box soon. And this is going to be the watercolor brushes that fit in that little tiny brass box, which is so cool. But they, of course, are going to go in here too. And then I have an Escoda set that fits perfectly fine in here. And as you can see, a great big set, a tin of watercolors that fits in here too. So, I mean, like really, whichever way, I think I have to do it this way. Whichever way I slice it, I can put a lot in this pochade box. And so now I have a cool pochade box that I've been looking for forever. As far as getting these, I can source these. If you want one, we'd have to place a group order so that I could get them at a good price and bring them in for you. But that's all I can tell you as far as getting them. No store has them. I just ran into a vendor and I really, really love it. And it's just exactly what I wanted. So I wish I could tell you where to get these. I literally cannot. I think they make them custom in most places and they're a fortune. So if you do want one of these, we will have to place a group order and then I can bring them in and ship them to you. Schmincke dot cards are here. I'm waiting for the granulation colors to come in. I have super granulating colors on the way. And they have not arrived yet. So, because they are on sale, but go and check out the sale. I will leave links below. Why are their dot cards so small? So we're going to do these when I get the other sets in so we can do them all together. Why are their dots so small? I mean, when I make dot cards for you guys to send out to the group, literally they're huge. So this is the package that came in from Germany. And I had to track these down. And this was something I was trying to get my hands on, but I was hoping it would be good. What was that? Little stickers? Okay, little art. This was a pocket set. How cute is this? It's a pocket set. I don't know. I think there's a brush in here. Yeah, there is a little brush in there. Look at the tiny little brush. Actually, it's got a pretty big belly for a brush, but I doubt this is a great brush. We could try it. And I doubt that the watercolors that come in here are amazing watercolors. I don't think that they would be. Looking at this, it's really interesting. It's really nice. But of course, these watercolors, I'm going to have to like take these little metal pans out and snap the watercolor out and fill it with my own colors, because I don't think I can find a pan that is this low profile, but it's pretty neat. You know what I mean? It's a pretty neat little thing. I would imagine this would leak like crazy though. It's definitely not waterproof. It's just a piece of metal. But it's cute. It's cute. I just wanted to see what they were like. I would use that. What is this? That's weird. It's like, it's got a screw at the bottom too. I don't know. But that's cute, right? Okay, we'll do something with that later. I just wanted to see what it was like. I was hoping it wouldn't come with watercolor in it, but okay, if it does, I'll take it. I'll just take the watercolor out and put in nice ones. So let's get to these, because these I've been trying, if they are what I think they are, I've been trying to get a hold of them for so long because they don't make them anymore. But I found them from someone in Germany, and Schmincke is in Germany. So I figured that they must have picked them up at a watercolor store or maybe from the main store. The reason why these are special is they are special edition sets from their anniversary. I think like their 100th or 125th anniversary. This is a Schmincke palette set, but it's very, very special. And you know why it's so special? Guess why? One, because it's the square box. Do you recognize the square box like the other sets that I'm going to be selling for Christmas on my website? But this one has a ceramic palette inside. How cool is that? I've heard you can take it out. I don't know. I don't know if you can, but how cool is that? It literally, who would want to take it out? And these are, Academia are the student grade watercolors from Schmincke. But according to Schmincke, is it Schmincke or Schmincke? According to them, they said that these are just as lightfast and they're made with the same pigments. There could be a difference in the binder, perhaps, because I haven't really noticed any difference in the carmine. I haven't noticed any difference in the cadmium red, the orange, the yellows. They're all the same. The light ochre, perhaps, is a little bit lighter, but just because like you have to get a lot more color. And what happens is if it is a little bit lighter, you just have to dig out a lot more of the product than using the professional grade watercolor. That's the only thing I've noticed the difference is that I go through these a little faster. So, but the thing is they only make the limited edition tins pretty much with the student grade colors, but that doesn't matter because I can literally put my own colors in there. I just have never had a ceramic travel palette. It is quite heavy because it's ceramic, but it's totally worth it because it's ceramic. It's so cool. And I could probably additionally put colors there. So I'm excited to get these. And guess what? I believe that there's one for me, and I think there is one for someone else right here, which means that come Christmas time, I can do something very special and add some additional colors and send one away so we can put one up for sale. So if this is something you're interested in, leave me a comment, get in touch with me through my social media pages or my website, jacquelinejacks.com. In it, it has light lemon yellow, orange, cadmium red, carmine, ultramarine, Prussian blue, brilliant green, May green, I love May green, yellow ochre, burnt umber, English red, and black. It's got everything you need. That's pretty cool. And what I was thinking of is I could send you some extra colors for this. So if you're purchasing anything you purchase on my website, I usually just find, if I find limited edition tints, what I do is I try to get a hold of 2 of them so that you can have one too. And that way you can buy one on my website. So we're just going to wrap this one up and keep it on hand until somebody wants it. And then I will send it to you. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, and this is from their anniversary set. So they only made this one time during their anniversary. And I believe it was either the 100th year or the 125th year. But this is cool. So I'll keep this aside. This paper is so pretty. And this was so nice of them to literally source this for me and find me the palettes I wanted and send them all the way here to Canada. It's tricky. I actually had someone tell me the other day they literally can't get any of these products where they are. So this is why I try to, like, once a year at least, put up some limited edition sets and add watercolors to it and just, you know, fill them up with all kinds of goodies so that you guys that can't access them have access. Or at Christmas time, if you just want to find something really special, you know, then maybe you'll find it in my store. If not, then I have really cool links to save money at Jackson's when anything's available. Like right now, they're having a huge watercolor store. I'm going to take a closer look at this. This is so cool. So if you want to see me swatch out this set, I don't know that I'm going to swatch out these colors because I'm thinking I'm going to put my own colors in them because I have tons of tubes, my most used colors, and keep this as my little side studio palette, something I go to real quick. And I will put these paints in the giveaways. So if you're a member of my Facebook group page, guess what? I'm getting ready to do a whole bunch of giveaways again, and I have things ready. Like I have a ton of dot cards. Let me get these so you can see them. So these have been drying for freaking ever. Can I just tell you? It has been so hot that I don't know. They just have been, these are white night dot cards, and I literally put as much paint on them as I could. Like when I did the swatch, I just went over it, and then I put a ton of paint on each of these dot cards. So these are finally ready to go. They kind of feel pretty dry. So I got those. And I also made, what are they? I made some Winsor Newton ones when I got the Winsor Newton paint in while I was swatching. Let me see where they are. Yeah, they are here. Okay, so I also have 3 of the Winsor Newton ones. These are professional Winsor Newton colors. I love these. So I'm going to be sending out this next month, or the next couple of months, in honor of the launching of my new course, which is watercolor journaling for beginners. It's available on my website at jacquelinejax.com. So go check it out if you want to take courses from me. So I'm going to be sending out white night paint, some of these little Schmincke paints, which are all the cool colors. Yeah, that's fun. And these. And that will be our giveaways for this this month and next month. I'm trying to think what else I have. I have like a lot of other stuff. Actually, I have some Winsor Newton little half pans that I'm not using. So I will probably toss those into. All right. So people are going to get paint. And if you ever use my affiliate links for any of the products that I review, just know that that's how I pay for doing all of the giveaways. This month, I actually sent six full trays of Japanese watercolor to one of my group members, and she was thrilled because she thought she was getting 1 set of paints, and I sent her 6 so she could give away 6. She could give away extras. So she gave 1 to her daughter, and then she found some people on her Facebook page that were friends that live locally, and she supplied them with paint. So they are all painting right now, and that makes me happy. So that's what I use my affiliate links for. So whenever you use the affiliate links, you know that this is where it's going. It's going in things to review for you, and also things to give away in the group pages and make your life really, really happy. So it all comes back. So I appreciate you guys for focusing on the links in the descriptions of anything. And of course, I've been writing in my blog on my website at jacquelinejax.com a lot. And I'm including the links there. There is a materials list for the upcoming course coming out September. So if you like any of the things that you're seeing on my studio desk, I have a full list of all of these things that are all on sale right now, I should remind you, including the Roman Szmal, which I love. This is my favorite set. I actually have more colors coming too. This is an amazing set. I'm like cracking through it every single day. And this Schmincke, all of the goodies that including the brushes that I use in all of these videos and tutorials, they're all linked in that product page. So go check it out. Okay, that's my open box for today. How cool is this? Isn't this cute? Would you get this? I love this. I think this is going to go in my pochade box. I mean, it's not that heavy. Not really. All right. I'll talk to you guys again soon.